How to make a duet on TikTok. First, log into TikTok. Choose the video that you want to make a duet video with. But keep in mind if the user has turned off the duet option for his or her post or has the post only set to friends. You can't make a duet on that. With that being said, let's continue with our duet. Here you can see I have a random video of two girls dancing in a pool. Let's use that. Here you can see there is a share option. Click on that, a list would pop up. Here you can see there is duet option. Click on that and TikTok will take you to the record screen and ask you to shoot a video.